last video we learned about what is weather and climate. Now in this video we will learn about weather instruments. So let us now study about the different instruments used for measuring different elements of weather. First one is temperature. Air temperature is measured with the help of thermometer. A thermometer is generally a narrow glass tube filled with the liquid. The most commonly used liquids are mercury and alcohol. When the temperature rises, this liquid expands much more than the glass and contract much more than glass when the temperature falls. Temperature measures in Fahrenheit, Celsius and Kelvin. The air temperature at any place changes throughout the day. A special type of thermometer is used to record the maximum and minimum temperature during a day, and it is called Six's maximum and minimum thermometer. Next is air pressure. Air pressure is measured with the help of an instrument called barometer. It is also called the mercury barometer. Since the mercury barometer is not easily portable, so the aneroid barometer is more commonly used. An aneroid barometer consists of a metal box with partially vacuum inside and a flexible wall which expands and contracts, and a pointers indicate the atmospheric pressure accordingly. Next is rainfall. Rainfall is usually measured with the help of rain gauge. It is usually measured in millimeters, but annual rainfall is measured in centimeters. In a rain gauge, rain pours through a funnel into a container. After every 24 hours, the water collected in the container is poured into a measuring cylinder that gives a reading of the day's total rainfall. Rain gauge must always be placed in the open with no hindrances like trees or walls around and on a level land to collect and measure the rainfall correctly. Yes, next is wind. Air in motion is called wind. Wind always moves from high pressure to low pressure. The speed of the winds depends on the difference in pressure between two regions. If we want to know the direction in which the wind is blowing, we can use a simple instrument called a wind vane. If we want to know the speed of the wind, then cup anemometer is used. So dear student, this is all about weather instrument.